Bonjour! Today I'm going to show you how to make this paper cut effect on your letters in Procreate. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create this depth effect by duplicating the shape of your letter and how to add a paper texture easily on your canvas. All the resources I'm going to use, like this color palette, are available for free in the description just below this video. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the following canvas settings. First, we will set the color of your first layer. Tap the color button and drop this beige color from the color palette. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this white color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu. Add. Then add text. Then write your letter. Go to your Layers panel. Tap your new text layer and tap Edit Text. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. I'm going to use the Erica 1 font. You can use any font you like, but if you want to use it, you can download it thanks to the link below this video. Put it in a fairly large size, then tap Done. Tap the transformation tool icon, then resize it to your desired size. Go to your Layers panel, tap the text layer, and tap Rasterize. Use the transformation tool again, and move your letter to the center thanks to snapping. Now let's cut the paper in the shape of your letter. Tap and hold with two fingers on your letter layer to select your letter shape. Tap Save and Load, then tap the plus button. We are going to use it later. Select the beige layer. Drag 3 fingers on your canvas to open the copy-paste menu, and tap Cut. You can hide your letter layer for now. Duplicate your layer. Select the bottom one and drop this blue color from the color palette. Hold a moment and drag your Apple Pencil to the right to ensure the color will completely fill the layer. Now repeat the process with the colors from this line. Duplicate your layer, select the bottom one, and drop this blue color. Create a new layer at the bottom. And drop this dark blue color. Now select this layer, tap the transformation tool icon, and downsize your layer by using those two nodes. Then repeat the process for the other layers. Now let's add drop shadows on each layer. Duplicate this layer, select the bottom one, tap the letter N next to your layer, select the Overlay Blend mode, tap to the Adjustments menu icon and choose Hue, Saturation and Brightness, set Brightness to None, go back to the Adjustments menu and select Gaussian Blur, then slide to the right to adjust the amount of blur to 10%. Now repeat the process for each layer. Duplicate your layer. Set the Overlay Blend mode. Set Brightness to None. Set Gaussian Blur to 10%. Let's now add highlights for each layer. Duplicate this layer, select the bottom one, go to the Adjustments menu, and tap Hue, Saturation and Brightness, set brightness to 55%. Duplicate your layer, select the first one, tap the Selection tool icon and move your layer slightly to the top. Select the second one and move it slightly to the bottom. Now repeat the process for each layer. Duplicate your layer, set the brightness to 55%, move the first one slightly to the top, move the second one slightly to the bottom. Now let's add more shadows and highlights for the first layer to add more realism. We are going to imagine that the light is coming from the top, so we can add a light gradient to your background. Create a new layer above this one, tap on it, and tap Clipping Mask. Select this white color, go to the brush library, airbrushing brush set and select the soft brush. Then use your brush on the top part of your canvas. Now you can unhide this later layer from the beginning. Go to the Adjustments menu and select Gaussian Blur. Set it to 10%. Duplicate your layer. Move the first one slightly to the top. Tap the selection tool icon, tap Save and Load, and tap your saved selection from earlier. Drag 3 fingers on your canvas to open the copy-paste menu, and tap Cut. Go to your Layers panel, tap the letter N next to your layer, and set the Add Blend Mode. And use this slider to reduce the layer's opacity. Now select this layer, move your layer slightly to the bottom, tap the selection tool icon and bring back your saved selection, then tap Cut. Go to your Layers panel, tap the letter N next to your layer, and set the Subtract Blend Mode, and use this slider to reduce the layer's opacity. Let's now add the paper texture. Create a new layer on top of your Layers panel, tap the Color button, and select this dark blue color. Go to the brush library, Artistic Brush Set, and select the Plimsoll brush. Tap the letter N next to your layer and set the Overlay Blend Mode. Then use your brush over all your canvas. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to 50%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Noise, and slide to adjust to 8%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that if you want to get weekly tutorials, lettering brushes and color palettes directly to your inbox for free, you can join my newsletter thanks to the link available in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!